Go down and check our bait trap. See if we got some bait for fishing today. I put the trap in about 15-20 minutes ago. We'll see how many we got. Well, we're going to get some live bait today. I see some around the trap. There's a few of them around it. Hopefully there's some in it. Gonna pull the trap so we got some live bait for fishing in the canal today. It's been in for about 15 minutes, maybe 20. We got dog food in it. That's all you need. So I'm gonna pull it here momentarily, and we'll see what we got. We got quite a few in there. Oh yeah, there's enough for a day's fishing there. Okay. And when I'm done taking the bait out, I'm going to throw all the food back in the little pond here to feed the bait. Oh, we got a nice haul here. I put them in the bucket. Max and I are back over to Erie Canal for another day of fishing. Let's see what we can get today. We got some pretty good bait. We stopped and got minnows in the trap. We got sweet corn, chicken liver, frozen chicken liver. Well, we're going to get baited up here. I'm going to put on some minnows first. Then I'll do the sweet corn, then I'll do the chicken liver. We'll put one on each bowl. See which one gets the most fish. Fish on. Those are pretty good. Fish on. I think it's a bass. Yeah, they're easy to fish. Bass. First fish. Nice smallmouth bass. Nice small on the minnow. Fish on. Another bass. Well, the bass are hitting today, boys. It's another bass. Number 2 on the minnow. On the live minnows, Max. Max is looking for food. We just had a breakfast sandwich, didn't you? Got a carp on. Wow, it's lucky I got to this in time. I got alarm down here in the rocks, or I never would have known it. On the good old sweet corn. That's 2 bass and a carp. Trying to get my tripod adjusted here. He's quite a ways out there, boy. This guy took some line. Pretty sure it's a carp. Fighting good. Alright. That's pretty strong. I'm gonna have to get the landing now. Sometimes it takes a while to tire these fish out. It's a carp. Not a monster, but a good sized one. Oh, probably 12, 13 pounds anyhow. Here's the fun part, getting down on these rocks. Right through there. When I was a young boy, it was a piece of cake. I just about schooled this line before I got to it. I'm right the old Lipple. The old Lipple. We got this new gold carp. And just climb back up the rocks in reverse. Oh yeah. Not a monster, but I'll tell you, they're all good fighters. Compared to catching them bass. Bass were like catching minnows. These fish can fight. It's just your common carp. Well, I'd say he's 10, 12 pounds. Nice one. He's in good shape, too. What's that? Okay, yeah, we're going to let you go. Alright, I'm going to release him. There he goes. Wow. One good thing, you can always catch a carp most every time I come. All you need is a can of corn. Sweet corn, the sweeter the better. Just getting hit on the carp again. I don't know if you dropped it or... Had two hits at once. We had a hit on the minnow and a hit on the carp pole. I think he's still on it. Waiting for him to run out some line. We got him. We got it. Oh, this one feels heavy. I wonder if it's a turtle. It's coming right in. Yep. Snapping turtle. Just got off was a snapping turtle. Snapping turtle on the sweet corn. I just moved down. Minnow a little bit and I got a fish on. Fighting pretty good too. I don't think it's a little bass this time. Look at that. Oh, it's a bigger bass. Oh yeah. This one's a lot bigger. Lot bigger bass. Now he fought a little bit. Compared to the other ones, it was like catching minnows. If I was going to keep it, but we're not going to keep it. Nice little bass. Alright. It's bass love minnows. Getting a hit on the corn again. Fish on. Fish on. Not a carp this time. On the sweet corn. Smallmouth. It's a nice smallmouth we just caught. Just caught the smallmouth on the sweet corn. On smallmouth, they eat almost anything. Alright. You clean that hook of all the corn. Well, we'll get corned up again. I was just reeling this in, and a rock bass hit my minnow. That rock bass is going to turn into bait. Boy. The drum. It's a drum. We haven't caught in a drum in a while. I was wondering why I haven't caught in. I think we got up here at the top. Alright. We got a big old drum, Max. Big old drum on the minnows. Not a big one, but a good one. It's a croaker. What? Oh yeah. We're gonna let you go, Mr. Drum. Alright. Good fight. There he goes like a flash. Well, that was fun. Well, we're getting some pretty good action today. Mainly on minnows and sweet corn. Nothing on the chicken liver yet. Mainly on the sweet corn and the minnows. And I caught that rock bass. I'm thinking of cutting that up and putting it on. Maybe get a catfish. I don't know if the catfish are spawning in the canal yet or if they're done spawning. I haven't caught one in a while, so we'll get one eventually. Max and I are going to be calling today. We had a pretty good day. We caught some bass, got a big carp, caught a sheephead, and I'd say that was pretty good. So it was another day. We're going to call this part 2 of fishing for whatever bites. Max and I'll see you on the next video. Right, Max? You ready to go home, buddy? You want to go home? Alright, we're gonna go. Alright, did you go for a swim? Yeah. You're all wet. Okay, I gotta pack up the cart. We gotta load up the cart with all this stuff in the poles and go all the way down there to that bridge, which is about half a mile away, a mile 3/4. So have a nice day, and we'll see you on the next video, right, Max? We'll see you on the next video, Max. Sure, yeah, he can't wait.